Howdy friends, today's unboxing Myntra.com product. Before start video, please like my video, please subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in the top I button for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, please share this video. Let's start Myntra.com product unboxing. This is a purchase from Myntra. They have product kids jacket. Let's start. This is the packet also a little bit scratches, damages. Don't know why Myntra.com that is doing. Myntra.com has too many the branded product. The sub brand of Flipkart, Myntra. This jacket because I have some reasons to buy this one because I have my wallet inside Myntra.com money, that's why I purchased, because otherwise I expire. That's why they very this MRP price is 2,200 rupees, 1,199. Let's start the cards inside, the quality, everything. The packing very well. Jacket. See the MRP 2,200 rupees something, 19 inches, 2 to 3 years old, but it's very small. What I'll do, not bad. Okay guys, like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in the top I button for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, please share this video, like and share.